Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys how can we on guys set automatic time and date setting in our Samsung phone device. Friends, your phone time and phone date has changed and friends now you want to set into guys automatic. So how can you on and guys how can you set guys your time and date automatic set. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends now let's see how can we set it automatic time and date. Open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends click on guys your phone, guys the general setting guys, tap here and friends scroll. Friends you can see date and time. First of all guys you can use guys your time and date setting. From here example for guys I will randomly change it, and friends you can see when I click on this automatic date and time guys it will set automatic. As you can see 10:27 and friends you can see time will set 27 November Sunday. So like that guys we can set guys our phone automatic time and date. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.